In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Mailchimp. We'll move through the process from a blank canvas to a polished, ready-to-use survey, focusing on clarity so you can feel confident at every click. Start by signing in to Mailchimp and heading to the Campaigns area. This is your central hub for creating content, and it's where surveys live alongside emails, landing pages, and more. Once you're in Campaigns, look for the Create button. Click it, then choose Survey. Mailchimp will open a fresh survey workspace so you can get building right away. First, give your survey a clear, descriptive name and choose the audience you want to associate it with. Think of the name as a label that helps you and your team recognize the survey's purpose at a glance, like post-purchase feedback, Q2. For the audience, pick the list that makes the most sense for your goals. This connection ensures responses can be organized in context with your contacts while still respecting your preferences and any privacy settings you choose later. Click. Begin to open the Survey Builder. This is where your ideas turn into questions. Add your questions one by one. You can choose multiple choice when you want quick, comparable answers. Rating scales when you're measuring satisfaction or likelihood on a consistent scale. And open text when you need rich, detailed feedback. Keep your wording simple and focused on one idea per question. If a question is essential, mark it as required. If not, leave it optional to keep the experience smooth. Use rating scales consistently. For example, always set higher numbers to mean better to avoid confusion, and include open text sparingly to capture nuance without overwhelming respondents. As your questions take shape, customize the design and settings to match your brand and goals. Apply your colors, add a logo if you have one, and choose a clean layout that's readable on both desktop and mobile. In settings, consider whether you want responses to be anonymous or attributed, and whether to allow multiple submissions from the same person. You can set a short, friendly completion message that thanks participants and sets expectations about how the feedback will be used. If you're running a time-bound initiative, add an end date so the survey automatically stops collecting responses on schedule. Finally, review spacing, labels, and any help text to make sure everything is clear, concise, and accessible. With your questions refined and your design dialed in, you're ready to put your survey to work and start gathering meaningful insights.